In this video, we show you how to install mods in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to add awesome new mobs, blocks, tools, or gameplay changes to Minecraft Bedrock, you can try to install add-ons. So first, to download it, you can go to curseforce.com, and once you're here, you want to scroll down and look for Minecraft Bedrock. Open it up. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. They offers one-click mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 service and support, ultra-low latency, instant setup, free subdomain, automatic backups, and a powerful panel. And here you'll have many add-ons you can download and install. You can go to Browse All, scroll through, and look for the mods you want to download. Or you can use the search bars. So for example, I want to download and install Nissan Cars by GTV. I can click on it to go to the page. And from here, you want to go to Files. And then you're going to download the latest release of the add-ons. So this one, 1v2, click the three dots on the right, hit download file. You can save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder, hit save, and it'll start downloading. After you finish downloading, you'll have the mod as MC add-on or MC packs. And to install it, you simply need to open this. So you can double click or right click on it and hit open, and it'll launch Minecraft Bedrock and install the mods automatically. On the top, you should see import started. And after you see successfully imported, you can hit play, and from here you can create a new world or click the pencil icon on your world. And from here you want to scroll down and go to experiments. Under add-on creators, you want to toggle everything on. Hit turn on experience anyway, toggle on beta APIs, and experimental creator camera features. After you do that, you can go to behavior packs, and under available tab, you'll see your mods, or in this case add-ons, listed here. And what you can do is click activate it to move it to the active tab. Now you can go to resource pack and check if your add-on also have resource packs, and you can also activate it. After you activate it, you can hit create or play, and that's it. Your Minecraft Bedrock worlds now have awesome new mods working perfectly. So for me, I can drive around with my Nissan car.